Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to disable touchpad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to disable touchpad on laptop, first what you can do is use Windows settings. To do it, simply click on start or press start button, and then here what you need to do is type in settings. Then once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is select Bluetooth and devices from the left hand side of the screen. Then once you're inside the Bluetooth and devices, what you need to do is go to devices or simply tap on touchpad right here. Then in order to disable it, all you gotta do is tap on this toggle button right here, and that will disable or turn off the touchpad. Now once you do this, your touchpad is disabled. Then next is by simply pressing the keyboard shortcut. So most laptops have a key to disable the touchpad. Try pressing Fn, that is function, plus F6, F7, F9, and you can also press the touchpad icon key. Look for a key with the touchpad icon or a rectangle with a finger. Once you do that, press function and the touchpad icon. You can see the touchpad has been disabled and my cursor isn't moving. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Do like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.